Namaskar. And communication. What is communications? Anyone have the idea about it? Communications is a way of exchanging of the informations from one person's to the another person's. Generally, as we know, well, each animals such as the birds, man, and the other animals also communicate to each other through various way. It might be from the any order, from any dances, from any blast, or from any singing. So each and everyone's communicate within their species. Here, animal convey informations to other animals of its own species as well as other species through an incredible diversity of sound, color, odor, posture, and flashing light. So, communications is defined as the transfer of informations from a signaler to a receiver. Is it clear? अर्थात सिग्नलर से जो है रिसीवर तक जो है मैसेज को कन्वे करना ही कम्युनिकेशन कहलाता है. इट इज़ द एक्टिव ट्रांसफर ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशंस थ्रू सिग्नल. Signal is a trait or part of trait that evolve slowly in order to convey otherwise unknown informations to other individuals. Informations may also be collected by observations. However, such information is not communications. So, the exact definitions of communications is given by Slater in 1983. He stated that the transmissions of signal, the transmissions of signal from one animal to another, such that the sender benefits on average from the response of the recipient. Other scientists explain the communications in a different way. Communications is a mean by which the sender manipulates others for his or her own benefits, like that of advertising. The sender through display can control the behavior of the receiver with the minimum energy waste. So there are basic components of communication. One is the signaler, receiver, message, channel, contact, and code. These seven components are required for the communications. Is it clear? So the mode of communications might be the different. Here in our syllabus, we have to study the communications in honeybee. Honeybees communicate the location of food sources by waggle and circle dance. अर्थात हनी बी जो है अपने डांसेस के थ्रू जो है एक बी से दूसरे बी तक कम्युनिकेट करता है. दिस डांस इन्फॉर्म अदर बी अबाउट द डायरेक्शन, डिस्टेंस एंड टाइप ऑफ फूड्स. क्या क्या? डायरेक्शन, डिस्टेंस एंड टाइप ऑफ food sources. So in our syllabus, as we have to study the communications in honeybee, there are three types of honeybee as we know. जैसा कि 3 तरह का जो है हनी बी पाया जाता है, वर्कर, ड्रोनर एंड क्वीन. Each bee has its own character and its own function. So, bee dances. Carl von Franz, who first observed the dances in the honeybee, how they communicate the how they communicate from one honeybee to the another honeybee, he first observed it. Here there is a two types of dances we have to study. One is the uh, round dance and other one is the wiggle dance. Honeybee have an elaborate communication system to signal to other members the hives of exact locations of the food. Food locations often involves thousands of workers covering large area of ground. It is really interesting as to how an individual's forger is able to convey its hype mates the complete informations about the food sources. Aristotle thought that the bees simply follow the forger to the food. However, Carl Hans noticed first the dances in the honeybee. Here, one is the uh, round dance, and other one is the waggle dance. What is round dance? If a food source is at short distance, क्या राउंड डाउन्स में क्या होता है? If a food source is at short distance from 20 to 200 meters, from 20 to 200 meters, depending on the strain of bees from the hives, returning forages perform the roundage or round dance. Here the figure is given round dance ka. You can look at this one, round dance. So round dance, in this dance the forger performs a series of circles alternately to the left and right every second. Also, after a short while, other bees start following them. This scout bee, and soon they fly off to look for the food, and on return they also perform the same dance, thereby increasing the number of forages. The first bee also carries the scent of the flower it visited. The round dance facilitates the fellow workers to search the correct food sources by comparing the two sample smell provided by the forger and the smell of the target flower. क्या करता है राउंड डांस में जो है फॉरगर जो है सेंट के माध्यम से, फ्लावर सेंट के माध्यम से मैसेज सेंड करता है सर्कल डांस करके, राउंड डांस करके ये बताना चाहता है. इट्स मस्ट, इसका मतलब है कि फूड जो है इफ फूड सोर्सेज इट अ शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस, ताक जो है फूड यदि नज़दीक है तो जो है राउंड डांस करते हुए देखा जाएगा. क्या देखा जाएगा? राउंड डांस करते हुए देखा जाएगा. देयर इज अ रिलेशंस इन द ड्यूरेशन एंड द लाइवलीनेस ऑफ द डांसेस and the richness of the food sources. The richer the food source, the more lively and longer is the durations of the dance. Durations of the dance. Is it clear? So, in such case, more and more bees are attracted when the large number of bees have exhausted the food source. They gradually slow down the dance and ultimately stop dancing altogether, signaling the end of the food supply. So this is the round dance. What? Round dance or circle dance. Next dance is a वेगल डांस, इट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डांस, एग्जाम में बहुत ज्यादा ये एग्जाम में आता है। द पैट 8 लाइक पैटर्न, 8 की तरह के आकृति के जो है डांस करता है। इफ द फूड सोर्स इज लोकेटेड एट द ग्रेटर डिस्टेंस, वाइल इन अ सर्कल डांस में क्या था, राउंड डांस में क्या था, फूड सोर्सेज जो है आपका शॉर्टर में 20 टू 200 मीटर के भीतर था। वाइल इन द वेगल डांस, if the food sources is located at a greater distance, the bee perform another type of dance, the sequentials or the waggle dance. It's a Latin term, sequentials or the waggle dance. The waggle dance is shaped in a figure of 8 like, 8 की आकृति के जैसा है। Looping first to the left, looping first to the left and then to the right, looping first to the left then to the right, with the waggling of the abdomen, with the waggling of the abdomen in a straight line. Is it clear? So the waggle dance of honeybee was first studied experimentally by Carl von Faricht in 1967. Is it clear? To visualize this dance, let us imagine that the worker bee has just returned from a rich food sources, bonita fell nectar. Here is one example is given. Look at the waggle dance pattern here, how the dances is performed। 30 डिग्री से जो देख रहे हैं आप राउंड जो निकलता है, ये आपका waggle डांस आपका एक पैटर्न का देखने को मिल रहा है। दिस इज द waggle डांस पिक्चर, how the honeybee perform the waggle dance. Is it clear? So द waggle डांस, हम लोग को बेसिकली 2 तरह का डांसेस के बारे में पढ़ना है, आपका राउंड डांस एंड waggle डांस। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये दोनों एग्जाम में आता है, आप लोग को एग्जाम में लिखने के लिए भी आता है waggle डांस परफॉर्म। सो नया टॉपिक माध्यमिक एग्जाम में जुड़ा है ये, और बहुत वाइटल टॉपिक है, इससे कुछ ना कुछ क्वेश्चन प्रत्येक साल आपका एग्जाम में आता है। सो हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट दिस डांस एंड आपको एग्जाम में परफॉर्म लिखना पड़ेगा। सो आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू आर नाउ have understood what is the waggle dance and what is the round dance, what are the need of the communications, how the other animals communicate each other. You now understood very clearly. Is it clear? So here I'll suggest you to note down about waggle dance and the राउंड डांस। बेसिकली सर्कल डांस और जो है राउंड डांस, और आपका जो आपका waggle डांस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म है। कार्ल वॉन फेरिच जो है इसका खोज किया था, इसका ऑब्जर्व किया था। धन्यवाद।